In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data by color in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a simple list or managing a more complex dataset, sorting by color can be incredibly handy for quickly finding and grouping specific information. Let's dive into the steps so you can start utilizing this feature and streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to select the data you intend to sort. Make sure to highlight the rows or columns that contain the cells with the colors you wish to organize. This might seem basic, but selecting the right range is crucial. If you have a large dataset, you might find it helpful to freeze the header row to keep your column titles visible as you scroll through your data. Now that you have your dataset highlighted, it's time to create a filter. Look towards the top of your Google Sheets window, where you'll see the toolbar. The tool you need appears as a small funnel icon. This is the Create a Filter button. Clicking on this will activate filtering, allowing you to manage your data more efficiently. With filtering turned on, your next step is to open the filter options. Navigate to the column header you want to sort by and look for a tiny filter arrow beside it. Click this arrow to reveal a menu that gives you further control over how you wish to interact with your data. This is where the magic happens, transforming your color-coded entries into well-organized information segments. Now, let's move on to sorting by color. In the menu that appears when you click the filter arrow, you'll find an option labeled Sort by Color. Hover your mouse over this option, and a secondary menu will appear. From here, you'll select Fill Color to specify how you want to organize your data based on the background color of the cells. Utilizing the color filter neatly categorizes your data and draws attention to the most critical areas of your dataset without clutter. Finally, you'll want to select your color. When you choose Fill Color, you'll be granted a list of colors present in your selected data range. Simply click on the color you want to emphasize in your sorting operation. Once you make your selection, Google Sheets will automatically arrange the rows according to your chosen color, pushing those matching your criteria to the top or bottom of your dataset, depending on your preference. There you have it, a straightforward and effective way to manage your data using color as a visual aid in Google Sheets. Sorting by color can significantly enhance your ability to analyze and present data, adding both clarity and efficiency to your tasks. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.